Today I wanted to go through the Sephora foundation sample bag. This is a really cool item that they have posted on their website that I found. It's $10 and you get, I think, 4 foundations. We're gonna go through it together. But yeah, let's go through it together and talk about it. What comes in the pack is 4 different shades of the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. You get 3 different shades of the Lancome Tint de l'Eau Ultra Wear, 3 different shades of the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, and then 2 different shades of the Say Glowy Super Skin. And then also, of course, you get the beauty blender thing, whatever. So this is $10, 8 shades ranging from rich to fair light fair. I got the medium package, and I just think this is a great idea because then you can try out all these different foundations for $10 to see what you like versus like blowing $40 for each of these foundations. And it's also a lot of waste too. Like if you buy a couple foundations into different shades and then you return them, like they can't resell that, so it's just wasteful. So I think this is a great idea. But also you get this card that says $10 off of, if you want to buy one of these foundations, you get $10 off, which is super, super cool. My upcoming videos are going to be all me reviewing these foundations, so stay tuned for those.